Hi, I'm Lori Tishnai, and I'm here today to teach you how to change your Zoom background. In today's world, we are all in a lot of Zoom meetings, and if you want to change your virtual background, I suggest that you get a green screen that you can easily purchase online. And the screen behind me is actually an image I found online, and I'm projecting as my background. In order to change your Zoom background, you need to be in your Zoom meeting. And in the bottom left-hand corner, go ahead and click on the arrow next to Stop Video. It will bring up a small submenu, and you're going to choose Virtual Background. When you click on it, another screen will open that will allow you to choose a virtual background. Zoom has several backgrounds in here for you to use by default. I can be in San Francisco one day. I can even be on the moon. Or I can choose the real screen, which is a green screen, which is behind me. When you're choosing your options, it's fun because you can choose a different background and completely change the mood of your meeting. You can even pretend that you're at a football stadium and it's all yours. To find an image, if you open up an internet browser, you can go and search for an image. I went and looked for Kensington Palace. When you find an image, you can right mouse click and save the image to a location on your computer that you can find later. When you save that image, you can then go back into your Zoom screen, click the plus sign to add an image or video, choose Add Image, and you'll be able to navigate to some of those other pictures. Choose the picture that you want, and voila, you're now at Kensington Palace. So again, to change your image, click the arrow in the bottom left, click on Choose Virtual Background. The new window appears, and you can choose from your other virtual backgrounds. I personally like choosing backgrounds that are darker so you don't blend in as much. You can choose a bookshelf, and you can even choose a meeting space. So hopefully you can find your perfect virtual background so everyone can be envious of your green screen.